Here Limited is a business of infrastructure has two division. The brief details of the business and underlying project details are follow. Project one, Ludhiana Chhattisgarh Expressway toll project, and the company has commenced the construction of the project in the current year. The brief details of the concession agreement given below. Total expense incur 100 crores for 31st March. Under IGAAP, the company has recorded such expenses as intangible asset in the books of account. Total expense estimated to be incurred in the project is 200 crores. The fair value of the construction service is 220 crores. Total cash flow guaranteed by the government under the concession is 350 crores. And the finance revenue over the period of phase is 30 crores. Um, Other income related to the service provided during the operation phase. Project 2 Bengaluru Chennai Express Highway Toll Project. Company has entered into another concession agreement with the government of Karnataka in the current year. Such concession agreements a toll-based project, and the company need to collect the toll from the users of expressway. The construction cost of the said project will be 150 crores, and the fair value of construction contract is 200 crores. IGAP, the company has recorded the expense incurred such project as intangible assets. You are required to answer the following. What would be the classification of Luhina Chhattisgarh Expressway toll as applicable in DAS Q brief? And what will be the classification of Bengaluru Chennai Express toll gate project as per NDAS? And what would be the accounting entries for a preparation of financial statement of the relevant NDAS in above two project? So in the Chennai Expressway, the given data is construction cost. A project will be 150 crores, and the fair value of construction cost will be approximately 200 crores. In the case of Ludina Chhattisgarh Expressway project, total expense this incur is 100 crores, estimated incur is 200 crores. Then uh, fair value of construction service is 220 crores, 200 crores, or 220 crores. Then total cash flow generated by the government under the concession agreement is 350 crores. Okay, and the finance revenue over the period of operation is 30 crore. Other income, financial revenue, and other income is provided during the operation phase. These are the data we have. As per the NDAs, we need to account first. In the case of first project, here the project is an contractual right to receive cash for the guarantor. The guarantor has a little, but if the discretion to avoid payment, usually because agreement is enforced by law. The operator has an unconditional right to receive cash if the grantor contractually guarantees to pay the operator. Hence, operator recognize a financial asset to the extent it will be contractual right to receive cash. For what question? This is the answer for the question. For what would be the classification of internet? It is classified as an asset, and the guarantor need to pay the amount as per as an agreement. Second, what would be the classification of Bengaluru Chennai Express Tollway? Here, the operator has a contractual right to charge user for the public. So here, that is asset. Here, they need to charge a user to toll. The right to charge user of public service is not unconditional right to receive cash because the amount or contingent to the extent of public uses of service. Therefore, the operator shall recognize an intangible asset to the extent it is receives right to charge user of public services. So in this case, they are right to count as an intangible asset. But in that, it is a right. Previously, it said the right to receive the amount. It's counts as a financial asset. Here, it is an intangible asset. How to account it? The accounting treatment of preparation of a financial statement. Ludhiana Chhattisgarh Express toll gate journal entry. Financial asset to contractual revenue for asset is being sold. So 220 crores, 220 crores. Cost of construction to bank 200 crores, 200 crores. Then the financial asset to financial revenue 30 crores. Financial asset to revenue 100 crores. 330 minus 220 minus 30. 350. Bank occurs. So from bank or financial asset, we receive 350 crores. That is the received we have. Same time, the financial asset, what we charged is 220 crores for construction. The cost of construction is 200 crores. And we paid out of the recognize the cost incurred for construction. Then financial asset to financial revenue to recognize interest income under the financial cost of 30 crores. And financial asset to revenue is 100 crores. So 350 crores minus 220 crores. 350 crores we received minus cost to 220 crores. So minus 30 crores we receive on interest income. So that will be 100 crores. That will be charged in the accounts of revenue account. This is the entry. In this Bangalore Changa, cost of construction 150 crore to bank. Apo intangible asset to revenue account. That is cost of construction. You want to go 200 crores, 200 crores. So amortized expenses is 200 crores to intangible expenses to intangible asset. Because intangible asset to be booked to amortized expenses, no expenses will book, no, it will be charged to P&L account. The amortized accounts to period. Then after bank account to revenue, we don't know because based upon the use of the toll, we will receive the amount. So based on that only we can make the entry. Super.